Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Today we have for you the SLACKER-88 ankle boots in black vegan leather by Demonia. You can buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you're in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. Alright, now let's get these out of the box and unwrapped. So you'll see that most of the larger boots come with this clear plastic wrapping as well as the branded Demonia wrapping paper. I'm going to unwrap just one of them first and then we'll look at them both together after. Now this style has a combination of both the matte black as well as the patent black vegan leather. But you'll see the major feature of these is the white embroidered spider web detail all along the shoe and at the back. So the platform sole height is 2 inches and you see we've got that Demonia logo on the bottom there. So this boot is lace up only, so there's no zipper. We've got 8 eyelets with the round laces and the Demonia logo there on the back pull tag. We've also got a strip of black patent on the back. It's got the black patent on the tongue as well as that black patent toe. Inside they are only lined with the black vegan leather. Don't forget to let us know in the comments what you think of this style and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And this style comes in women's USA sizes from 6 to 14, which also converts to men's USA size 4 to 12 or European 36 to 44. Now we're going to take a look at the other shoe and then we will do some shots of them both together. So that spiderweb design is embroidered, so that means it's stitched in, it's not just printed on. This model is often quite popular around Halloween, but they're actually quite lightweight that you could pretty much just wear them every day. So let us know if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to drop a comment below to let us know what you think. And I'll be dropping all the details of this model in the description box below. So you can see inside the Demonia logo there at the bottom. And these are just lined with the black vegan leather on the inside. So tell us what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. We mostly sell New Rock, Demonia and TUK styles. Now I don't have a black light here to test, but apparently this white embroidery will also glow under a black light. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.